Hello, everybody. This is Jerry Furst with the South Florida Trader Meetups and Investors Education Network. Today's October 1st, 2013, and this is a brief video update. And we're going to get to the S&P 500 ETF, the SPY, in a moment. I want to let you know about our upcoming meetings at the end of the month, October 29th, Tuesday in North Miami, and Wednesday, October 30th in Delray. Now, also, uh, for those of you who are beginners, intermediate, or advanced traders, I want you to take a look at this email where you have the opportunity to attend a live workshop in Fort Lauderdale. It's going to be October 13th and October 20th. It's 2 full Sundays with 2 full weeks of trader coaching and mentoring in between. The curriculum will include high probability chart patterns, moving average strategies, entry and exit strategies, step-by-step checklists, candlestick reversal patterns, Fibonacci retracements and extensions, understanding multiple time frame strategies, web resources, trader psychology and business plans, as well as you'll be getting hands-on assignments and training. So you're not just going to sit there and listen, you're also going to have assignments to go ahead and do, and you have me to go ahead and help you with it. It's going to be a very small group of people, limited to 12 people. Your satisfaction is guaranteed or your money back. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the current S&P 500. Here's the SPY ETF, and again, this is only for educational purposes only. Today is October 1st, 2013. We have a recent high in the SPY. Up here, it's 173.60, and we also have a recent low a couple of days ago at 167.31. Now, the idea is if you're going to trade anything, stocks, options, futures, Forex, you need to have better than a guess as to where price is going to go. And that's where charting and technical analysis helps me. And most people who are professional traders are using the charts. If you think that you can use some improvement, or if you're just a beginner, you must take a close look at the opportunity for this workshop. The cost is unbelievably low, and the opportunity priceless. So take a look at this. Here we have candlestick reversal patterns. We have Fibonacci lines. We have trend channel lines. We have indicators. We have price targets. These are the things that you will be learning. And as well, you'll also be able to pick up on other charting platforms as well. Uh, and so we will be teaching how you can go ahead and look at the charts and determine price targets. And so here you can see the SPY. This is on a different charting program. And you can see how we've made technically almost a triple top. This is not a head and shoulder pattern, people, because the head in the middle here would have to be up here higher. But we do have technically at least a double top if you want to be technical about it. We have this slanted up curve. We have lower support down here and upper resistance up here. And we have our indicators, which are saying that it looks as if, whether we're using this charting program or we're using this other charting program, it looks as if on a daily chart that these indicators are neutral to oversold. And it's actually, and even here, the ADX is actually showing it's mixed. So right now, even though we're in a government shutdown, if you're a government worker, I hope you're enjoying your vacation, hopefully practicing a little bit with the currencies and the stocks and the options and the futures. And anyway, we are inside this trend channel, and we have trend channels inside of trend channels. These lines that I drew go way back. This is a daily chart. If I bring us out to a weekly chart, you're going to see my charts get a little bit complex, but it's not as difficult as you might think. The idea is once you learn how to do something, something that once looked hard and difficult becomes second nature. It's like looking at the dashboard of a car. If you never saw the dashboard of a car before, you would think, oh my God, what are all these buttons and dials? And then after a while, you figure it out, and it's like, oh, okay, that's not so tough. But you have to work at it. Learning how to use charts and charting software is a little bit more difficult, I'd say, than driving a car. But if you practice it, you can end up learning one of the most crucial skills if you're trying to take control of your own trading, whether it's for primary income or retirement or just for fun. All right, so again, the workshop is going to be on Sunday, October 13th and Sunday, October 20th in Fort Lauderdale. It's going to be stretched out over 2 weeks. Pay nothing now but RSVP to save your seat. The tuition, $1,618. That's a Fibonacci number. But wait, if you register before October 5th, only $777. It's almost a Fibonacci number. And guess what? If you bring a friend, you get a 10% discount on top of that, regardless of if you pay the higher tuition cost or the lower. Don't delay. RSVP today. You're going to go and click on this link. It's going to take you to a page. Just fill in your name, your email address, your phone number. I will be in touch with you. The concept is I want to make sure that everyone who attends the course is suitable at a decent level so that we can move forward quickly because we have a lot to cover. So if you're interested in learning how to trade and trade with confidence, and if you want to learn how to determine price targets, October 13th and 20th. Again, this is not a webinar. This is not a fire hose approach. There is a lot of information, but it's spread out over the course of 2 weeks, and you have live coaching and mentoring. It's not just by email, not just a webinar. There's very few educators out there who are actually doing live events. And if you were to go to a live event, not only would you pay thousands of dollars, but you'd probably be in a room with a lot of people. Here you're going to be limited to 12 people maximum, and I'll say it's probably going to be more like 10 people or maybe even less. Okay, satisfaction guaranteed or your money back. Click over here to RSVP. Here's my phone number if you want to go ahead and call, and I'll be happy to talk with you about this. All right, everybody, good trading, and watch the charts. Over and out. So, again, at the end of the month, Tuesday, October 29th in North Miami, and Wednesday, October 30th in Delray Beach. All right, everybody, have a great trading routine between now and then. Bye-bye.